Welcome to the Weather Centre on Wednesday. A ridging high moves in behind a cold front, and that brings in some light rainfall over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. It also results in a cooler day with the possibility of rainfall over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. But we're expecting a hot afternoon over the northeastern interior with the possibility of isolated thundershowers forming in the second part of the day. It'll be a dry Wednesday for the rest of South Africa with lots of sunshine, and we're expecting warmer temperatures, especially in the west. Our rainfall probability map for the day shows up to a 40% chance of rainfall along parts of the Eastern Cape coastline, as well as over northern KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern part of Mpumalanga, with a slight possibility of light rain over southern KZN, and then we'll see isolated thundershowers forming over parts of Mpumalanga, Gauteng and Limpopo. Another hot afternoon is in store for Gauteng and the northwest, with maximum temperatures peaking in the low and middle 30s. Cooler temperatures are forecast over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with a chilly day with highs mainly heading into the teens. A sunny and warm 28 is in store in Bloemfontein, with a mild forecast for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg at 23. Cool for the Eastern Cape, a mere 17 degrees for Grahamstown and Komani, 20 for Bishu and Umtata. We keep in the low 20s as we head towards the coast with a mild day on Wednesday. You'll see an easterly wind for Port Elizabeth with a light southeaster for East London, and a moderate to fresh southerly wind between Port St John's and Richards Bay, with a 3.5 metre south-southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. We head into the mid-20s for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West, 34 for Vredendal, and a maximum of around 30 for Worcester and Robertson. A warm afternoon is expected for Muizenberg at 27 with light winds in the morning, but with a fresh easterly wind in the afternoon. You'll see strong easterly winds all the way through to Mossel Bay, with a fresh to strong southeasterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a 3 metre southerly swell at 11 seconds along the south coast. Uppington tops 36 degrees, just shy of 30 for Kimberley, Carnarvon and Springbok, and Sutherland tops 26. A maximum temperature of around 30 is forecast between Lambert's Bay and Cape Town, and after a few days of a gusting southeaster, Table Bay can expect a 25 km/h southeasterly wind on Wednesday, with a moderate westerly wind for Alexander Bay and a 3.5 metre southerly swell at 10 seconds along the west coast. Things remain dry over the western part of the country on Thursday, with a few thundershowers possibly forming over the interior part of the Western Cape. Rain is expected from George all the way through to Richards Bay, with thundershowers over the central and northeastern part of the country. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Wednesday.